Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you're curious about history's most fascinating discoveries, you're in the right place. What if I told you that humanity's first analog computer was built over 2,000 years ago? A device so advanced that it wouldn't be rivaled for another 1,000 years. This is the Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient Greek marvel discovered in a shipwreck, and it has fascinated scientists for decades. Get ready to dive into one of history's greatest mysteries. And before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more amazing stories about ancient discoveries. Our story begins in April 1900, when a group of sponge divers set out near the small island of Antikythera, just north of Crete. They were searching for sponges on the ocean floor, a common practice among divers of the time. But they stumbled upon something far greater. What they found was the wreckage of an ancient Roman cargo ship, dating back over 2,000 years. It lay undisturbed for nearly 2 millennia, holding a treasure trove of ancient artifacts. The ship had likely sunk under mysterious circumstances, and the sea had claimed its secrets. The divers brought up an array of treasures, including statues of bronze and marble, intricate pottery and coins. But amidst these treasures lay a corroded and unassuming lump of bronze. Little did they know this seemingly insignificant piece would become one of the most significant discoveries in human history, the Antikythera Mechanism. At first, no one understood what the device was. It wasn't until decades later that experts began to unlock its true significance. The initial excitement of the discovery quickly turned into a puzzle, one that would challenge scholars for generations. So what exactly is the Antikythera Mechanism? Imagine a clock-like device with over 30 interlocking gears crafted with such precision that it could model the movements of the cosmos. This intricate system was no mere trinket, it was a remarkable representation of the ancient Greeks' understanding of astronomy. This device was not just functional, it served multiple purposes. Used by the ancient Greeks to predict eclipses, track the motion of planets, and calculate lunar cycles, it was essentially a miniature universe encoded in bronze and gears. But how was it made? The craftsmanship of the Antikythera Mechanism reflects an advanced level of engineering that was unprecedented at the time. It's no wonder that many refer to it as humanity's first analog computer. Inscriptions on the device acted as a user manual, providing step-by-step instructions on how to align its gears to calculate celestial events. Think about that. A manual for operating a machine over 2,000 years ago. Such knowledge demonstrates an exceptional blend of science, technology, and artistry. Despite its discovery in 1900, the Antikythera Mechanism's secrets were not fully unlocked until much later. Original studies were limited due to the damaged state of the artifacts. In 1951, Derek J. de Sola Price was a prominent physicist and historian of science who played a pivotal role in unlocking the mysteries of the Antikythera Mechanism. His journey into the depths of this ancient device began in the early 1950s, shortly after World War II, when interest in ancient technology and history was gaining momentum. Price conducted his groundbreaking research primarily at Yale University in the United States, where he was a faculty member. His inquiries into the Antikythera Mechanism were inspired by a desire to understand the intellectual achievements of ancient civilizations. A renewed fascination with historical scientific discoveries marked this period, partly prompted by advancements in technology and archaeology that allowed for deeper investigations into ancient artifacts. In 1951, Price began examining the fragments of the Antikythera Mechanism that had been recovered from the shipwreck near the island of Antikythera off the coast of Greece. Through detailed analysis and comparative studies of ancient gear systems, he deduced that the mechanism functioned as an astronomical calculator. His meticulous work led to the identification of the various components of the device and their roles in modeling celestial phenomena. Price's seminal paper, titled The Mechanism of Antikythera, published in 1959, laid the foundation for future studies. He demonstrated that the Antikythera Mechanism could predict solar and lunar eclipses and calculate the cycles of the moon, emphasizing its sophistication and complexity. Price's research revealed that the mechanism contained at least 30 interlocking gears, showcasing an advanced understanding of gear ratios and celestial motion that was unprecedented for its time. His influential book, Gears from the Greeks, published in 1974, further expanded on his findings and brought widespread recognition to the Antikythera Mechanism. Price's work not only shed light on the device itself, but highlighted the advanced knowledge of astronomy and engineering by the ancient Greeks. Through his dedicated research, Derek J. de Sola Price is credited with bringing the Antikythera Mechanism out of obscurity and establishing it as a crucial example of technological ingenuity in the ancient world. His contributions have inspired generations of scientists, historians, and enthusiasts to explore the intersection of science and history, fostering a deeper appreciation for the achievements of ancient civilizations. The Antikythera Mechanism was built around the 2nd century BC at the height of ancient Greek innovation. This was a time when scholars like Archimedes and Hipparchus were making significant contributions to mathematics and astronomy. The mechanism predates similar technology by over 1,000 years, leaps ahead of its time. It demonstrates the advanced knowledge of astronomy and engineering possessed by the Greeks. This was a society that not only observed the cosmos but sought to understand and control it through technology. Moreover, the mechanism's existence reflects a broader cultural movement in ancient Greece where philosophy, science, and art intersected in profound ways. The device symbolizes the Greek quest for knowledge, a drive that would shape the foundation of Western civilization. Yet, for all we've uncovered, the Antikythera Mechanism leaves us with more questions than answers. Who built this incredible device? Was it the work of one genius or part of a larger tradition of advanced engineering? And why was it on a shipwreck? Was it destined for a scholar or simply lost in transit? The unanswered questions about its creation and purpose only add to the mystique surrounding this wondrous artifact. One intriguing theory suggests that the mechanism was part of a teaching tool for astronomers or navigators, while others believe it may have been a display of technological prowess for wealthy patrons. Other theories posit connections with a network of Greek thinkers who shared advanced scientific ideas across the Mediterranean. Each theory not only adds a layer of complexity to the Antikythera Mechanism, but also paints a richer picture of a civilization that was far more advanced than we ever imagined. The Antikythera Mechanism has reshaped our understanding of ancient technology. It shows us that the roots of modern mechanical design lie far earlier than we once believed. Today, it inspires engineers and historians alike, reminding us of the incredible achievements of ancient civilizations. Its significance has sparked interest in the development of similar devices in other cultures, leading to deeper examinations of how ancient societies approach technology. Moreover, it challenges our perceptions of ancient peoples as primitive or simplistic in their thinking. Instead, we see a vibrant intellectual culture alive with inquiry and innovation. The legacy of the Antikythera Mechanism serves as a testament to human ingenuity and the timeless quest for knowledge. As we continue to study this ancient device, we not only uncover the secrets of the past, but also find inspiration for the future. The Antikythera Mechanism stands as a bridge between eras, connecting us to a lineage of thinkers who dared to push the boundaries of what was possible. The mechanism has captured popular imagination, appearing in documentaries, books, and even museums around the world. It serves not only as a scientific relic, but also as a cultural icon that embodies the human spirit of discovery. If you visit the National Archaeological Museum in Athens, you can see it for yourself. An experience that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. This artifact has sparked interest in science, engineering, and astronomy among the general public, leading to community outreach and educational initiatives. Imagine schoolchildren learning about ancient technology and being inspired by its mystery, tease a way to connect the past with the present and ignite curiosity in young minds. The Antikythera Mechanism continues to be a beacon of human ingenuity, reminding us that the quest for knowledge transcends time and space. Despite its fame, the Antikythera Mechanism has been the subject of wild theories from alien, ranging in technology to connections with Atlantis. However, science tells a different story. This was a human achievement, a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Greeks, not a relic of the supernatural. For instance, some rumors wrongly suggest it was built with advanced materials not available during its time. However, careful analysis proves it was crafted from the same bronze available to artisans of its era. These misconceptions highlight the importance of understanding history grounded in evidence and reason rather than speculation and myth. If you want to explore the Antikythera Mechanism further, here are some must-reads. Decoding the Heavens by Joe Marchant, a gripping narrative of its discovery and significance. Gears from the Greeks by Derek J. de Sola Price, the foundational study of its design. The Antikythera Mechanism by Tony Freeth, offering the latest insights into its history. The Archimedes Codex by Reviel Netz and William Noel, exploring ancient Greek technology and its broader implications. These resources will deepen your understanding of this remarkable artifact, enriching your journey into the past. Also, be sure to check out the description of this video, where I have linked some interesting reads for anyone interested in reading them. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than a relic. It's a symbol of human curiosity, creativity, and the endless pursuit of knowledge. If this existed 2,000 years ago, what other marvels of ancient technology might still be waiting to be discovered? As we reflect on this incredible piece of history, let's not forget the lessons it offers. Innovation and discovery are timeless pursuits that resonate with us today. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to unravel more mysteries from history.